Hanji, I'm sorry. You know what? That TV in the back is very, very loud. So if I hear it, I keep hearing the echoes. But Raj, मैं तानु question पूछांगी हूँ जिस तरह caller ने थोड़ी देर पहला पूछा सीगा कि what is your meaning of marriage? We only have few minutes. 40 minutes रह गए हैं उन शो वास्ते. And of course एक question अगर तुसी हिंदी या पंजाबी जवाब दो. पंजाबी अंदर preferably.
पंजाबी में आती नहीं.
Okay.
हिंदी में बोल दूँगा.
Okay, ठीक है.
What is the meaning of marriage? I don't know yet.
Okay.
13 साल हो गए हैं शादी में, उससे पहले 7 साल dating थी.
Okay.
Every day is a new answer. Absolutely. Right now, the priority is to raise the kids properly, raise the kids with love, deal with the daily challenges of raising the kids. ये answer true नहीं था 10 साल पहले, 10 साल के बाद I have no idea what the answer will be. Every day it's a new answer.
Exactly.
Mostly it's watch them grow and survive.
There you go. Well, I'm glad you put it that way. Now, let's come back to you guys. Aap sare are working class parents, okay? Sharon, I know you work with Raj, and Rippy, tusi doctor ro,
yes,
and you come from the finance background, okay? Along with being working, you guys have kids. How is it that, of course, study families are close by, but not in the house itself?
Yeah.
Of course, jira homework hai je maapyo aap na karan, it's a difference,
right?
Okay? Adjusting to that, another homework rana, day-to-day activities, birthday parties, this, that, and just with you two handling it. How do you feel about that?
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll take it. It's a huge adjustment. Because जब तक असी वापस आने हैं काम तो बस फिर पूरा इवनिंग रश होती है.
Yes.
पहले खाना करना है, फिर उसके बाद बैठ के homework finish करना है. So it's a huge adjustment.
It is.
It's not easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have friends who live with their in-laws, whereas when they come home from work, their food is done. That's a majority of like the evening,
Yeah.
They have their food done, and sometimes their parent-in-laws, they've helped the kids with the homework, so that's also another added benefit to them. In our case, when we come, our food is the main priority, and my mom is a huge help. So, we get our food most of the days. It's there from her also, and we warm it up. We help her with her homework, get ready for bed, talk a little, and we are done with the day,
Exactly.
I think it's really important to have. Now, when she visits my parents, her grandparents, her nana and nani, when she visits there, the love that she gets there and the things that she learns, I can't even put a price on it. And Absolutely. The things that she learns in Calcutta, I can't put a price on it.
Exactly.
It's so worthy.
और एक बार वो जानती है ना तो वो कहती है मैं उठे ही रह जाऊँ.
Yeah.
She just loves spending.
Yes.
Yeah, you know what? Because
and deservingly so. They love it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And जिस तरह साढ़े कोलों होर 100 चीज़ें हैं ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. Patience नहीं होते. By the end of the day, it's like, you know what? Just eat and get in bed.
Yeah.
That's it. Don't ask another question.
Yeah.
Just get in bed.
He used to be a consultant in the early marriage, so he was traveling a lot, and I was in residency, and as you guys know, it's really tough with the schedules and calls. I will not be able to have raised a kid at all because we were both part-time parents if it wasn't for my mom. She is the third parent in this relationship, and he is so kind and so nice that he acknowledges that himself. And without that, we cannot have raised a good enough kid, because she was always there to pick her up, help her out, and help us out.
Absolutely.
And then I feel so bad. I always tell her, Mom, I feel so guilty. I feel so guilty. And she always tells me this. And I think after I heard this, it made me feel better. She said, one day Isha will grow up and she will have kids and you will help her and do that. And udhar hi ihsan uttar jata hai. Don't worry about guilt. Udhar hi tu utar degi. And so don't worry. Ab mera time hai, mujhe karne de jo mujhe karna hai, So I think that really helps having that sort of non-guilty feeling when the parents can be that fully supportive.
Absolutely. So then Sharon, tell us, and Raj, being working parents, raising kids and doing all of that, what is that like with having the in-laws? Do you feel a lot more freedom in things? Especially with, I know, Raj's schedule, because I've known Raj for a long time, with his schedule and his work and everything.
It takes a lot of balance. It takes a lot of, just a lot of give and take. And I'm really thankful that my in-laws are there because I lean on them constantly. Things happen at the very last minute. Even today, I'm thankful that they're there because scheduling us to be out and about during a school day even takes a lot of effort and a lot of thanking them for supporting, because they're going to be home when our girls come home from school today.
Absolutely.
To support them and be there for them and encourage them to have their snack and get their homework started and stuff while mommy and daddy are not around. And we couldn't just do things at the drop of a hat without knowing that there is that support system already built into the house. Because finding a babysitter at the last minute, if you don't have a built-in support system, is next to impossible.
Exactly.
So I'm really blessed, and I'm thankful every day for that built-in support system.
I wanted to add one more point. You know, I'm a psychiatrist, and so I get to see and observe a lot of the dynamics changing the society today, you know. So whether you're American or whether you're from a different culture in America, एक चीज़ मैंने notice करी है तो यह है कि like, you know, all the parents, it's not a husband-wife nuclear family anymore. I think a grandmother, be it your husband's wife, mom, or be it your mom, is the most important thing in raising a family today. Agar tusi welfare system to dekhte ho, the people on the welfare or people on the lower socioeconomic status, you see that sometimes the moms can't handle the kids, or they're having too many kids, and the grandmother steps in and she's taking care of their family. If you look at the other professional side where the moms are working and they're professionals, they are also, whether it's your husband's mom or your mom, she steps in.
Absolutely.
And she's such a big part, an essential part of that family. So in my opinion, the way I see it, Ajkal the family, I think it is a grandmother is really, really important. It's a key factor, you know?
Absolutely.
Well, I will jump in on
Whoever
that
you are.
and say, don't forget the grandfathers.
Yeah.
In our house,
Yeah.
we have clear guidelines or clear rules.
Yeah.
Separation of duties. Homework
Yes.
is our responsibility.
Okay.
If we don't get it done, the girls are not doing it.
Okay.
But making sure they're eating, they're fed, the whole family takes care of that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And you know, my mom is great, and my father's been phenomenal. You know, because being the grandfather, he can spoil them, he can also discipline them. So when they don't listen to us, and they don't listen to that grandmother, who they call mom, because everybody else calls my mom mom, you know, we can go, Dad, can you talk to Ariana? Dad, can you talk to Allison?
Yes.
And he's much more kinder, gentler with them than he was with us.
Of course.
But he can discipline
Yes.
them, and they will listen to him.
Yes. Yeah.
And having that other influence, that, you know, the one person they can't get away with murder with, is
Yeah.
really
Yeah.
helpful.
Absolutely, absolutely. You know what?
Yeah.
I know we're almost out of time, but I want to say कि साडे viewers वास्ते, it's been very insightful,
Yeah.
it's been very educating, and of course fun to have you guys here ताकि viewers can learn the pros. It's not all about cons out there all the time. The pros and pros and the benefits of living with joint families, and even of course, you know,
Extended family.
extended
Yeah.
families. Absolutely. And I
Yeah.
really appreciate, and in this case issue, of course, hats off to you for being able to break into her side of the family and accepting them as your own, and you know, going with the flow and keeping that, you know, the whole wheel
Yes.
is a well-oiled machine. The
Right,
whole thing has
yeah.
to keep running. And it's of course the person who comes into the family that makes the most adjustment.
Yes.
So we want to thank you, of course, Ishu Vipi,
Yeah,
for being part of our show today.
Thank you.
And Raj, Sharon, of course, thanks to you both also. And Sharon, great insight, and thank you for educating the viewers that even though being from a different culture, you're not only accepting the culture, but you're living with the joint family in the culture and doing a great job of it, I must say. So thank you both for being here and
Thank
sharing
you.
your thoughts with us. ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਆਈ ਹੋਪ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ. ਇਫ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਅ ਮਦਰ ਇਨ ਲਾ, ਫਾਦਰ ਇਨ ਲਾ ਆਊਟ देयर trying to figure out how to get a